Hi everyone, this is Tabish Khan, your real estate broker. If you're thinking of buying, selling residential or commercial property, give me a call for free property evaluation and professional advice. Today I'm in Burlington and it's a very well-established area. Major intersection is Brant and Dundas. This community is newly developed community. This was pocket in an established area, builder-built townhouses, semi-detached houses and few bungalows. I have few lots available here. Only 4 semi-detached houses and few townhouses and 1 bungalow loft only. This area is very well established area. You see the semi-detached house in my back. I'm going to give you a tour of this beautiful, very fine finished semi-detached house, approximately 2,200 square feet. I'm going to give you a tour of this house and then I'm going to give you details after. Single door entry, foyer is good size. They have a bench here, big window, and you see the hanging here and shelves here. And here we have a proper coat closet. And then you see here under stairs, you see some storage. Very nice. You can develop this area. From there, you see here inside garage door, conventional garage, single. Then here you see powder room, sink, commode, nice tiles. And then you see this big living room on main floor. Okay, so this lot is very different. I'll show you later. You see windows here, they're like a basement. So here is opportunity. If you want, you can convert this living room into bedroom as well. You can just make a wall here and this room can be separate. You already have a powder room. Now let's go upstairs. Wooden staircase. And you see this beautiful great room. Look at the size, ceiling height, smooth ceiling. Look at the windows. Honestly, amazing. It's big size. And you come to the first floor. You see this beautiful big great room. Look at the window size, 9-foot smooth ceiling. Look at the space. Amazing. Very good size, rather big size. Here is an area. Here's a dining area. They have a round table. You can have 6 or 8 chairs dining easily. Then they have, here is a workstation. It's an upgrade. They have this area you can use as a workstation for study, or you want to use for decoration, or if you want to remove this, you can have a couple of chairs here if you need more sitting. Then here is closet, pantry. After this pantry, you see this big kitchen. Start from this island. Look at the size of island. Extended for breakfast area. Double sink, quartz. And then you see here countertop, quartz, lots of cabinets, lots of storage. Oven here, hood, very nice. So here is breakfast area, eat-in kitchen, big window, nice space, easily 6 or 8 chairs table you can put here. And here is powder room, another powder room, very conventional with nice tiles. Sliding patio door to the deck. You can do barbecue here. You can sit here. It's a nice and backyard. You take 5-6 steps down. This is what I was selling. Actually, the main from where we came, that is like a basement. You can see the windows here. Actually, the first floor where we are right now, I would say is the main floor. So you come and see this house, you're gonna like in this house, you have 1 powder room on the main floor and 1 powder room on the first floor, and then you have two full washrooms on upper floor. Hardwood floor on or engineered wood on this floor and upper floor. Laundry here, good size room, but they have a stacked laundry here, very basic. With tub, you can build shelving for storage. And then here is room number 1. You see this room. I would say this room is reasonable size, not a big size, for a single person with double bed or single bed with the study table or a chair. Nice window, smooth ceiling, 9-foot ceiling, closet, reasonable size. From here, let's go to the room number 2. This room is better, it's bigger as compared to other room. Queen bed, double bed with study table, chair, couple of chairs. And here is closet with double door. And here is the main washroom. Single sink, it's not upgraded, and the tub, you see the tiles to the ceiling. You can easily put glass here, or if you want to make a standing shower, you can take the tub, and it's easy peasy, nice tiles. And then from here you see linen closet, and here is master bedroom. So this bedroom, I can say, is a reasonable size, good size. You can have a king bed with chairs. It's a good size master bedroom, nice window. And here is walk-in closet, good size. And then here is the ensuite. Ensuite, double sink. Again, the countertop is not upgraded. That's what you need to do, but it's not a bad quality, not a bad look, but still it's not a quartz or a granite. Nice tub, very nice windows, one big mirror, and then here is window again, and you see the standing shower, very finely finished, good glass, and you see the tiles up to the ceiling, pot light. It's nicely finished, very nice tiles as well, very bright room. Hope you like the tour of this beautiful semi-detached house. So it's a quite spacious, as I said. On the main floor you have opportunity, you can convert living room into a bedroom because the powder room is already there. Then you have a powder room on the main floor, and the great big size, great room here, kitchen size, amazing. Area like Burlington. Brand new house. This house is approximately 2200 square foot house. I have other options available here, traditional 2-story townhouses and 1 bungalow loft as well. And it's such a fine area of Burlington. I would say it's a very good opportunity. If you are looking for pre-construction or resale property, I can help you. If you want to sell your property, I can list your property, make a home tour like this, put front of right people to get you the top dollar. If you like this home tour, like, subscribe, and share. I have very professional mortgage partners who can help you with your mortgage approval, or if you want to refinance your existing property for investment, they can help you. I can be reached at 416-475-7777. Talk to you soon.